And I'm going to give you just a little look at what I'm doing. The Cosori dehydrator that I bought, I've been dehydrating a lot of stuff. I've done potatoes, carrots, green beans. What you're looking at here, this kind of orangey stuff, is citrus peels. So I've done that too. I'm going to show you a little bit of the potatoes that I've done. Okay, that was, I believe, 13 potatoes. They're ready to go in a jar very soon. Okay, hang on a minute. Okay, over here in this closet you will see there's carrots that I dehydrated. Okay. What do we have in here? This is green beans. They're dehydrated pretty hard. Yep, that's alright. More potatoes. This was my first shot at potatoes. They dehydrated well, but I did them at too high of a temperature. Here's some more shredded potatoes that I've done. They're quite good. I got 2 of those. Parsley. I was farting around out in the garden. I found a parsley plant, so I dehydrated that. Here is some bananas. I don't like bananas, but every once in a while you want something a little sweet. Okay, and this is zucchini. Okay, so I've done quite a few things. This happens to be kiwi. When they're dehydrated, they're a lot like a sweet tart. Alright, now here's the main event. This is corn. It's cracked corn from the Farm Bureau. That's kind of black, but you can also see, can I show it there? Yeah, the white and the white here. That is button mushroom spores. And they are growing in there. It's hard to see, but they are growing in there. Okay, I have 2 starts. This one has some blue in it too, but it also has a tremendous amount of white. I don't plant the blue. I throw that out. I will start the white. I'm going to get a lot of flack from that. So give me a minute. I will show you what I've done. Right. Okay, what you're going to see here is I looked at this earlier today, and I have put some of the white button spores in here. Let's see if we can get you a little better view if I back my head out of there. You're going to see it. The white spores are taking off. They are growing. It's an experiment. I don't know what else to tell you. Let me get a light. Okay. Maybe you can see that a little bit better now. I'll back the light up. Shine it in there. Okay. They are growing, and I will run another tape in a week or 2, and we'll see what's happening with this. They say you can keep these in a dark closet, and that's exactly what I'm doing, in a warm, dark closet. I will record another one in a week or so. Bye.